Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is announcing a new insider build, as you see here, 17746. If you look at the Twitter account for Donna Sarkar, it does say 17746 is now available for fastering. So this is the third week in a row that we get 2 builds per week. Pretty amazing, and shows that we're moving really fast towards the release of Redstone 5. Now, if we look at the blog post, we already have it here, and just general changes, improvements. There's nothing new, and look at how short the list of known issues is now. So that means, you know what? There's really nothing to talk about what's new in here. Of course, I will still do a review because I will be reviewing it and taking the time to highlight one of the new features of Redstone 5. So we're taking this opportunity to kind of go through all the features that Redstone 5 has to offer in what's coming this fall. So check it out. Review is coming up later today, and of course hope you enjoy our videos and head on to your insider machines. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.